Inserting a special character. First, open a text box by clicking the text box icon. Click Insert. Click Special Character. Browse through the menu until you find a character that you'd like. If you can't find the character that you're looking for, you can always type its name in the search box. Once you find it, click on it and then exit out of the menu. Once you exit out of the menu, you will see your special character appear.